saying, YouTube. Firstly, I want to apologise that there wasn't a video last week. All of the stuff that I ordered for last week arrived this week, so I wasn't able to actually make a video. But that means I've got at least 3 other videos set up with the stuff that I bought. Today, I'm going to be doing the prep work for getting the ST through the MOT. So basically there's a few things I know which it might fail on. There's a few things I know it definitely will fail on. And I'm basically going to cover all of them, put them all right, yeah, and show you what I'm doing. Here's a list of everything I'm going to be doing to the car today. And here's my bag of goodies. From Euro Car Parts. As some of you might remember, in the video where I done my wheel bearing, I had to kind of fashion up my own nuts out of some crappy kind of stuff I had at work. So I'm replacing the caliper bolts, the brake caliper bolts with these proper stuff, and the pinch bolt for the hub here, and replacing the spring for the brake pad because that fell out when I put it in the garage, I believe. Thank you to the subscriber that reminded me about this. We've got anti-roll bar links, the ends, and drop links, and a bulb because my driver's side brake light's out. What are you up to? Wait. Yeah, look. This one is a bastard. I think we're going to start with the easy job first and change the brake light. Next I'm going to replace the caliper bolts, the pinch bolt and the brake spring, just so I make sure all of them are in before I tackle the drop links and the track rod ends. My audio cut out early in the video, so it's going to be a voiceover from now on. This is me showing you the bolts for the caliper bracket for the brake. They're the ones I'm replacing. For the bolt at the bottom, the pinch bolt, I had to actually use a Torx screwdriver instead of a Torx bit because I couldn't find my bit, so I'd hold it with that and tighten it up. Yeah, it tightened up quite easily. I thought it was going to be difficult with the screwdriver. I thought it would round it off, but I had no issues. This is the lube they gave us for the spring. Yeah, so we just stuck the lube in the hole as you do. The spring was really, what's the word? Like really difficult to actually get in place, but once it's in place, it's not coming out. It's a bit more fiddly than I wanted. To get the drop link off, you have to hold it in place with an Allen key and then loosen it with a spanner. So that's me just doing the top and bottom there. It's a little bit fiddly. I had to knock the other ones off with a gun, but I managed to do it in the end. Showing you how dead they were. We actually had a tear in this one here. So yeah, it was actually teared at the bottom, so that would fail an MOT, so it's good that I replaced them. And it's always worth checking that the parts are the same. So I got both parts, equal them out together and made sure they were the same. Yeah, this is the reinstallation. I had to use a bar to push down the anti-roll bar. so I had like a bit of a lever to get it in place. To do this, not mess up the tracking lot, I basically just unscrewed it half of a turn, as you can see just there, half a turn. So now it's going to be half a turn to put it back where it was. So I've got the end off there. Again, comparing parts, make sure you've always got the right part. You don't want to put it on there and it not fit, or it'd be the wrong part. You could do some damage. There you go. Both parts on, clips on, all the new bolts are on. You can see around the back here, well you can see the clip there, sorry, around the back you've got the two bolts I replaced. They're in there nice and tight, and then you've got this pinch bolt. So that's in there nice and tight as well. This was my setup when it started raining, because I was using the greenhouse as protection for the camera. As always, you got to keep hydrated, didn't ya? I forgot, well, I didn't forget, I lost my locking wheel nut. Out, condition, pretty much the same as the other one, bit shot, not MOT, well it wouldn't fail an MOT, but we're here, we're doing them. Should always replace these in pairs as well. There's no point doing one side and not doing the other side. Just gonna make your car all out of whack. This side, to knock them loose, I had to use the gun. They weren't playing game at all. They weren't too bad, but I still think, well, you have to change them, didn't you? You've got to do both sides. Again, always check you're putting the same parts on. You don't want to be stitched up with the wrong parts. Show you this side too. So there we go, nice and new. Nice and new. Look what I've just noticed on this wheel as well. Lucky I bought a whole new set, right? Fuck. This ain't too good to be driving on really, but well, we'll have the new wheels on soon. Right, now time to tidy up all this mess and then get some dinner. thanks again for watching. I know these aren't the most fun videos to watch, but you have to get these things done to get the car legally on the road. Next, I should be putting the wheels on. I'm just waiting for one more thing to arrive to be able to put the wheels on. That will have its own video. I'll do a little kind of reveal. You lot should actually hit up my Instagram and my Twitter, because I haven't actually, well, I mentioned it at the start of the videos on the little kind of title, but I've barely got any followers, and I'm starting to get a few followers on here now, so I'm going to put them in the video here or here, wherever, and yeah, follow me there. Talking about followers, I just realised I've reached 210 subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty mad really when you think about it. It was a month ago, I think, that I mentioned I'd reached 100 subscribers, so I've gained another 110 literally in just under a month. Which, if we go at this rate, we should be getting, like, what, over 500 by the end of the year, which would be wicked. I might even release a little sticker and just give it to you lot for free. You never know. Thanks for watching. New wheels next video. I'll catch you next time.